have 8 longer poles. These are the ones that goes around the sides. Then you have 4 shorter poles. Those are your legs. These two go together using these sleeves. Okay? Don't you feel that? Okay. This will be your side. You do that 4 times, okay? Lay out 4 sides where you want your tent to be. Then you use these are called corner pieces. And you go ahead and install those. You install the corner pieces with the center going down. The wires and crisscross them to each corner. They hook over those little the rings hooks over or hooks over the end. It doesn't matter which one goes on top of the other. Now, once you get it to the corner, you're going to have to lift it up to square it up. Go ahead. So it'll hook like that. Then you do the other corner. Once that's hooked, that squares up your tent. You've got to, and now the next step here is that you got to put the tent on top of this. Setting your corners up, you'll see that it has a reinforcement on it. If you look for the sewn side, or the side that you can see the ridges, and the flat side goes on top, this goes on the bottom. On the back side, a cloth loop that goes over this little piece right here, okay? So then you take that cloth loop right here, and you put that over that stick out piece on the end. After you get the 4 corners loose, then you take two of the legs, put them up on one side. Then that way, then you put up the middle. Goes on the top wire that crisscrosses. It slides right on there, and then the peak goes through the hole of the tent. The pointed end goes through the hole in the tent in the middle. Show the other end. And then you put that glide, how it has the slot, that goes on top of the wire. There we go. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Yep. Lock her down.
Once you get it on the where it crisscrosses, then you have to put this little pin in so it comes down that way it can't slide off. And there's your tent. After you get the tent up, halfway up, then each one of these needs to be wrapped around the pole, like this. And that secures the top to the frame. There we go. comes with 8 stakes. And say the tent is going to be up for a while. You take one stake and nail it in that foot of the leg, and the other tent stake goes outside. Like we like to do ours at an angle, then that's what holds it down. What I would suggest is get a couple. I see you got a couple of milk crates. Put all your after you take it down. Put all your straps in here. All your metal pieces. Put them in another one. That way you always keep them together. They're in a cardboard box because it won't mess up. And when you're taking it down, you just go the reverse. You always take down the outer stakes first. Then you have to remove one corner. Take that leg, lift, you gotta lift, you got that board? We made a board to lift the corner up with. See how it's got that little, like a half moon? That way, when you get ready to take down, you take down all 4 stakes, all 4 straps. Then you put this underneath the pole, lift up, take one pole out, and then you go to the other corner and take that pole out. Then you take down the center pole. So 2 ends, center, then you take the other 2 ends down, then you just start folding your tent back up. It's like you was when you took it out. Okay?